I'm not a thief and I'm not a fugitive. This is a contract between my company and the Enugu State government. Enugu State government asked me to help them build a couple of things, a couple of projects, which were very interesting. I was going to the state every week. In the middle of the project, they said, okay, the governor said he wanted to build a city. And he wanted to build the tallest building in Nigeria, 69-story building. I designed it and gave it to him. He said, okay, keep it aside. He said, while you are waiting for this, please help me do these schools. That we have money, but we don't have people that can do it. I've never done this type of schools before. But I knew it was cement and concrete and machinery. I knew it was arrangement. So I said, okay, let me give it a try. I told the governor, I said, this project is impossible because of the pricing, the cost of it is too low to build. The governor said, don't worry, just help me do these schools. And later you make money from the schools, but you make money from the other projects, which I was very happy with. Right there, I mobilized 42 engineers to the States. I took a house in the state. I love the state. I went to the States. And I was there doing the job. I was traveling from Eziagu to different local governments. I had an accident that my back got broken. But I didn't tell anybody. Now, the contract was frustrated. When we took the contract, at every point, I knew that it was difficult to do it because of the pricing. Now, when we took the contract, cement was 7,000. By the time we left, cement was 10,000. I faced a lot of people. Sometimes we are in the villages, my stars are being shot at. Sometimes they will have some people come, they will bring guns and shoot at them. I was still there. But at the end of the day, things went sour between myself and the government. And I was still there. If I had money, I would continue the project, but I had my other projects. I had stress on my other project that I wanted to do. Now, they took me to court. And I said, okay, let's look at the entire project. How much have we spent? Till the last day, I was in the project. I was there till the last day. Then I asked me, how much have we spent in the project? And I put my foot. They took us to court, and we told the court, we don't want to fight with the government. Let's agree. How much do we owe you? And there was an agreement with them, and now they declared me wanted. They destroyed my company that I built with my hand. But I'm going to go there. I'm going to the EFCC office. I'm going to go and clear my name. In the last 2-3 years, prices have just gone crazy. If I'm doing my project, it's delayed, 5 years delayed. Something I could have done with 2 years. Prices of things changed.